In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Microsoft Teams. By the end, your Trello board will be linked to Microsoft Teams so your team can see updates, collaborate faster, keep barsa, and keep work visible where conversations happen. Make sure you're signed into Trello and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you want to connect. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the hub that lists every board you have access to. Pick the board you want to connect to Teams. It's best to choose the board where your team's day-to-day tasks live, so the notifications and actions you enable will actually be useful. Once the board is open, look for power-ups. You'll usually see this near the top of the board or in the menu on the right. Power-ups are Trello's integrations, and this is where we'll add the connection to Microsoft Teams. Click Power-ups to open the panel. In the Power-ups panel, choose Add Power-ups to open the directory. This is a searchable library of integrations. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams. You should see the official Microsoft Teams power-up appear in the results. Open that listing to view its details and make sure you're adding the correct one. Click Configure on the Microsoft Teams Power Up. This begins the setup process and will guide you through any required steps. Very often, you'll be redirected to Microsoft's App Source or a Microsoft page to finish the connection. When you land there, click Get It Now. This adds the integration to your Microsoft account so Trello and Teams can talk to each other. During this process, you may be asked to grant permissions or confirm which organization or tenant you're using. If you don't have permission to install apps in Microsoft Teams, your IT admin may need to approve it. That's normal for many workplaces. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and keep the same browser session open so Trello recognizes the connection when you return. After clicking Get It Now, you'll typically be brought back to Trello to finalize configuration. Expect on-screen guidance that helps you link your Trello board to a specific team and channel and to choose what kinds of updates you want to send, such as new cards, move cards, or due date changes. If you don't see those options right away, reload your Trello board and reopen the Power-Ups panel to complete the setup. That's it. You've added the Microsoft Teams power-up from your Trello board, configured it, and authorized it through Microsoft so your updates can flow seamlessly into Teams.